There are many products available to choose from trekking poles, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best trekking poles from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cascade Mountain Tech Trekking Poles. If you're not sure if trekking poles are for you, the Cascade Mountain Tech Carbon Fiber Quick Lock is a cheap way to find out. The Cascade Mountain Tech is among the top 5 best-selling trekking poles on Amazon. They are also available at Costco and are a favorite of budget hiker Paul Magnanti, who covered them in his Outfitted by Costco story. We purchased and tested these trekking poles for 500 miles on the PCT and have continued to use them off-trail, on-trail, and everything in between. We've found the Cascade Tech poles to be intuitive to adjust and incredibly sturdy. High-quality, strong value. Poles are built with carbon fiber, which is known for its lightweight. These poles are user-friendly for beginners and strong for thru hikers. Number 2. MSR Dynalock Ascent Foldable Carbon Backcountry. The MSR Dynalock Ascent Carbon Backcountry poles are our winner for best winter hiking poles because they were specifically designed with this task in mind. They feature full-length pole tips for easy replacement if worn or damaged and come with robust snow baskets. And they're the most durable poles for post-holing in deeper snow. They're meant for winter sports like fast and light snowshoeing, mountaineering, and splitboarding. The MSR Dynalock Ascent Carbon Backcountry poles are winners for best winter running poles and also winners in our Best Ski Poles guide for best poles for splitboarding. Both winter running and splitboarding require durable poles designed to go uphill that are light and fast. Kevlar-reinforced carbon fiber construction provides ultralight strength, durable enough for backcountry skiing, snowboarding, or hiking in the summer. Essential for splitboarding or hiking, the 3-piece design deploys quickly and folds small to easily stash in smaller packs. Dynalock mechanism features tool-free tension adjustment and 20 centimeters of pole length adjustment. EVA foam grips are lightweight and comfortable with an extended lower grip for multiple hand placements. Number 3. Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z. We also considered the Black Diamond Distance Carbon Z for the best carbon fiber trekking poles. However, we didn't find the interchangeable tips on the Distance Z as durable as on the Pursuit series. Additionally, the Distance Carbon Z is more expensive than the Alpine Carbon Cork. The big advantage of the Distance Carbon Z is that it folds down into 3 pieces and is more compact. Still, we think most users will prefer the durability of the Alpine Carbon Cork over the slight weight savings of the Distance Carbon Z. Utah-based Black Diamond has been producing premium quality outdoor equipment since 1957. All Black Diamond trekking poles include a 2-year warranty. Carbon fiber trekking and running poles were available in fixed 110, 115, 120, 125, 130 centimeter lengths. Incredibly lightweight collapsible pole, 140 grams per pole, 120 centimeters. Lightweight EVA foam grip and grip extension with breathable, moisture-wicking strap made from recycled materials. Z-pole fixed length construction with speed cone deployment. Number 4. Leaky Makalu FX Carbon. The Leaky Makalu FX Carbon poles are our winner for best travel poles. Collapsing down to an impressive 40 centimeter length, 15 inches, they fold down the shortest of any poles we tested. That is an ideal length for bringing on a plane without a duffel bag, or for trips where hiking is just one of many things you intend to do. That length is also ideal for multi-sport trips, such as those that require a bike or paddling. It's also a nice length for backpacking trips or through hikes where you'll be storing your poles away to use an ice axe or sun umbrella. The Makalu FX Carbon is Leaky's replacement for the much-loved Micro Vario Carbon, our former Best Travel Poles winner. I'm rough on my gear and no stranger to trips, slips, and other kinds of torque on my poles, but I've never felt in danger of damaging either myself or these poles. I've used them to hold up my shelter, and they don't slip or twist in the night. Completely carbon and collapsible. Ultralight trekking poles provide an adjustable length and collapsible packability. Carbon construction. Ultralight carbon weighs half a pound and feels surprisingly rigid. Collapsible and adjustable. 110 to 130 centimeters adjustable via a single speedlock 2+ switch and collapses into three 15.7-inch sections for compact packability. Airgon air grip with extended foam and fixed strap. Soft, airy foam grip extends down the pole for easier use on technical terrain. We work to build durable products with exceptional value. It is our priority to combine high-end performance with security and comfort. Lecky's DNA is made up of many faces, stories, and values. For decades, Lecky has been built on the 6 core values that will continue to guide us into the future. Enthusiasm, innovation, quality, partnership, excellence, and responsibility characterize LEKI and our employees, partners, and athletes. Number 5. Lecky Legacy Light. The Lecky Legacy Light is the pole we recommend for someone who always breaks their gear. They are the updated version of our favorite aluminum trekking poles, the Lecky Legacy, which was a gold standard for many years. These poles are affordable, durable, and come with a lifetime warranty, with time-tested proof that they can withstand years and thousands of miles of abuse. We purchased and relied on the Legacy on a 200-mile section of the Continental Divide Trail through the San Juan mountain range in Colorado in 10 feet of snow. We found these poles to be heavy-duty, affordable, and surprisingly light for all they can handle. The Lecky Legacy Light trekking poles are remarkably robust and conveniently adjustable to work with you perfectly, whether you're an everyday hiker or a summer weekend backpacker. They feature 2 Speedlock Plus switches each to maximize an adjustable range of 100 to 135 centimeters, and they pack as short as 26.4 inches for compact storage. Lecky made the poles out of alloy for lightweight durability, and the cork grips give a comfy hold that conforms to your hand's shape over time.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.